The future of the space economy no longer is the final frontier just for pilots. Come with us as we look into the universe and learn more about the new space economy. It's possible to do anything from mining asteroids to travel into space. But what does the future hold for this new business? Is space going to be the next trillion-dollar industry, or are we still light years away from seeing its full potential? Get ready to take off into a world where anything is possible. Are you ready to see how the space economy will grow in the future? The World Economic Forum has released a new report, Space, the $1.8 trillion opportunity for global economic growth. This analysis provides an overview of the significant developments that will have an impact on the space industry and the businesses that are adjacent to it during the course of the next 10 years. The purpose of this research is to present the most comprehensive picture of the future trajectory of space technology, as well as the ways in which it will influence other industries, frequently in a roundabout way by quickly developing and extending technological capabilities. The report brings together specialists from a variety of industries, including space and other industries. Up until the year 2035, this is all you need to know about the future of space. Space will play a more significant role in the economics of the entire world. With an average annual growth rate of 9%, the space economy is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by the year 2035, which is a figure that is much higher than the growth rate of the world GDP. This figure represents an increase from $630 billion in 2023. It is anticipated that the primary forces behind this expansion will be technologies that are based in space or that are facilitated by space, such as communications, location, navigation, and timing, as well as Earth observation services. The effects of space will increasingly extend beyond the confines of space itself. There will be a gradual drop in the proportion of the total space economy that is held by traditional hardware and service providers. This will be to the advantage of other services, such as ride-hailing applications, whose goods are dependent on space-enabled technology, such as satellites. The primary function of space will shift to that of linking people and commodities. The supply chain and transportation industry, the food and beverage industry, state-sponsored defense, retail, consumer and lifestyle, and digital communications are the 5 industries that are expected to create 60% of the global space economy by the year 2035. However, other industries will also benefit from this growth. The return on investment for space will be greater than one's financial investment. Space will play an increasingly important role in alleviating the effects of global difficulties, which will include everything from the monitoring of climate and the warning of natural disasters to the enhancement of humanitarian aid and the expansion of economic opportunities, increasing the size of the space enterprise. More can be accomplished in space than ever before as a result of continued commercial innovation and a reduction in the expenses associated with launch. For instance, the number of satellites that are launched annually has increased at a pace of 50%, while the costs of launch have decreased by 10 times over the course of the past 20 years. This has made it possible to launch more satellites. In addition, the cost of data, which is essential to connectivity, has decreased, which is a trend that is expected to continue substantially across a variety of industries worldwide. Furthermore, when the technology behind mega rockets becomes more widespread by the early to middle of the 30s, additional opportunities will become available within the realm of what can be placed in orbit and at what cost. Additionally, a wider variety of investors, including both state and non-state actors, are investing in space, with investments hitting all-time highs of more than $70 billion invested in 2021 and 2022. This is a significant development. In the meantime, applications such as space tourism are no longer considered to be science fiction. In the years leading up to 2035, it is anticipated that the market would reach a maximum value of approximately $4 to $6 billion, with the majority of earnings coming from stays aboard space stations by persons with extremely high net worth. The key enabler for the advancement of civilization is synergy between a supportive space policy framework, pioneering business models, and the development of a vibrant space economy, stated Michael Suffredini, the Chief Executive Officer of Axiom Space. The future of space is not just about the destinations we build, but about the economic ecosystems we create along the way. The paper also highlights the fact that the scope of space technology is only going to expand by the year 2035, which has the potential to completely transform the economy of the entire world. Examples of industries that will benefit from more efficient and cost-effective logistics include supply chain and transportation, as well as food and beverage, which will witness improved efficiency in the delivery of perishable commodities during the final mile of delivery. Furthermore, the paper forecasts that adjacent industries such as agricultural, information technology, insurance, and construction all stand to gain from the multi-billion-dollar income, cost savings, and environmental benefits offered by space-enabled technologies. Some of these businesses include construction, insurance, and agriculture. According to Agnieszka Lukaszczyk, Vice President of Government Affairs for Europe, the Middle East, and Africa at Planet Labs, for decades, Earth observation (EO) satellites were a critical but narrowly used tool. Now the revolutions in cloud computing, data, and artificial intelligence are making it possible for EO data to be routinely used in a wide variety of day-to-day decisions, ranging from agriculture to environmental, social, and governance reporting. The ways in which space can alter the world. Space has the ability to assist the world in resolving some of its most pressing problems, which include the effects of the climate catastrophe as well as the disparities that exist in the economic system. Some examples of technologies that already play an important part in disaster management and warning include space technology. With greater monitoring of climate disasters, increased access to resilient communication networks, and optimized tracking using satellite positioning data, it is anticipated that this will grow by a factor of 10. Innovative applications of space technology include the monitoring of methane leaks from aging industrial infrastructure. Amongst other applications, space technology may also support attempts to reduce climate change through the deployment of innovations. In addition to that, there will be socioeconomic benefits. Through bridging digital gaps, expanding access to education and healthcare, and enabling precise monitoring of agricultural, natural resources, and environmental changes, space is poised to play a vital role in tackling inequality. This will be accomplished by enhancing access to economic activity and education, accepting the possibilities that space offers. When considering the future, the paper makes the observation that every industry has the potential to be a driver of the space economy. Businesses in a growing variety of sectors such as agriculture, construction, insurance, and climate change mitigation can and will all be drivers of the new and expanding space economy, said Ryan Brookhart, senior partner at McKinsey & Company. Some of these sectors include agriculture, construction, and insurance. Public and private industry players can position themselves as leaders in the space economy by understanding and embracing the full potential of space, the author writes. This will unlock long-term benefits. Despite the fact that the analysis projects that the global space economy would reach $1.8 trillion by the year 2035, there is a possibility that the number might go to $2.3 trillion if there is an increase in the availability of data and a decrease in the expenses of entering space. On the other hand, the analysis projects a negative estimate of $1.4 trillion in the event that there is a halt in access to space and major technical advancements on Earth rather than those in space. In either case, public and private parties alike will be in a good position to assist in unlocking the variety of possible applications that space has to offer if they comprehend and accept the promise that space possesses. This will occur for the benefit of everyone. Stay ahead of the curve and explore the boundless opportunities of the space economy. Subscribe now to embark on a journey into the cosmos where innovation knows no bounds. Join us as we navigate the stars and unlock the secrets of the future. Don't miss out on exclusive updates and insights. Subscribe today and be part of the space revolution.